Hey y'all, it's India, Miss Butterfly 112, and today we are making homemade aluminum-free baking powder. I found out I had an allergy to aluminum, and so I'm eliminating some things to avoid flare-ups. Aluminum-free baking powder. The two ingredients you need: cream of tartar and baking soda. Shelf stable, you need cream of tartar, baking soda, cornstarch or arrowroot starch. Today we're using cornstarch. Okay, let's make this. Getting cream of tartar everywhere before I even make the recipe. There's no easy way to measure some of this stuff. So to help myself, because whatever falls, we're gonna add to the final product. So I put some parchment paper down. We're gonna need a half a cup of cream of tartar, half a cup, fourth a cup of I forgot, what is this? Baking soda. And a fourth of a cup of cornstarch, or if you want, you can use arrowroot starch. Give it a mix and you have bacon on top, y'all. Aluminum-free baking powder. That simple. I like to use a clear bowl so I can see everything and make sure that everything is mixed. Some people put it into a jar and you have aluminum-free baking powder. Probably should have used a bigger jar, but okay. Since I have so much left over, I decided I'm going to upgrade my jar because I want all this in one jar. We want what's on the paper too. You pay for all this, might as well use it all. Don't waste. On top, don't forget the label. And there you have it. Homemade aluminum-free baking powder. Thanks for watching, y'all.